The journey of a cigarette begins with the arrival of raw tobacco leaves, carefully sourced from around the world. These meticulously stacked bales represent the raw material, awaiting their transformation within the factory. Each incoming bale undergoes a rigorous initial inspection to ensure quality and consistency. The dried leaves are then transported to conditioning chambers, where moisture is carefully introduced. This rehydration process makes the tobacco pliable, preparing it for the next stages of manufacturing. Conditioned tobacco leaves are then introduced into destemming machines to separate the valuable leaf lamina from the stems. High-speed rollers and blades efficiently remove the tough, fibrous stems, leaving behind the rich tobacco leaf. The processed tobacco is then cut into fine, consistent shreds, optimizing its burning properties. Various tobacco types are carefully blended to achieve the desired flavor and aroma profile for each brand. Specialized flavorings, known as casing and top dressing, are then applied to enhance taste and moisture retention. After flavoring, the tobacco blend passes through drying tunnels to achieve its optimal moisture content. A final cooling process brings the tobacco to ambient temperature, preparing it for cigarette making. The specialized cigarette paper unwinds rapidly, forming the outer shell of the cigarette. Tobacco is meticulously fed onto the paper, compressed and shaped into a continuous rod. Filter rods are precisely inserted into the continuous tobacco rod at high speed. High-speed blades precisely cut the continuous rod into individual, uniform cigarette lengths. Tipping paper is applied, securing the filter to the tobacco rod and completing the cigarette's structure. Thousands of finished cigarettes rapidly convey from the making machines towards packaging. Advanced vision systems conduct high-speed quality checks, ensuring every cigarette meets precise specifications. Any cigarettes failing to meet stringent quality standards are automatically rejected and collected. Perfected cigarettes are precisely fed into sophisticated packing machines, arranged into groups of 20. A protective foil lining is swiftly wrapped around the cigarette block, preserving freshness and flavor. Inner cardboard frames are precisely inserted, providing structure and support for the pack. The pre-printed outer carton is rapidly folded and sealed around the inner components, forming the familiar pack. Each pack is meticulously sealed, ensuring the cigarettes remain fresh and protected. Completed cigarette packs emerge from the primary packing machines, ready for the next stage of assembly. Individual packs are then sealed in a transparent cellophane overwrap for added protection and freshness. Multiple packs are precisely grouped together, typically 10, to form a carton. Flat carton blanks are swiftly fed into the next machine, ready to be formed into a carton. The carton blanks are quickly formed and simultaneously filled with the pre-grouped packs. Finished cartons, each containing 10 packs, move efficiently along conveyor systems. Multiple cartons are then systematically packed into larger corrugated cardboard shipping cases. Each shipping case is automatically sealed with tape and labeled with critical shipping information. Filled and sealed cases are stacked onto pallets, forming stable units for storage and transportation. Automated stretch wrapping machines secure the palletized cases, protecting them during transit. Forklifts efficiently transport the securely wrapped pallets to the designated storage areas. The vast warehouse holds immense inventories of finished products, organized for efficient retrieval. At the loading dock, finished products are prepared for distribution to markets worldwide. Pallets are meticulously loaded and secured within transport vehicles, ensuring safe delivery. From raw leaf to finished product, the intricate process of cigarette manufacturing concludes as the goods depart for consumers.